This is good to know when you find yourself in a place with only a microwave oven to prepare food in, like at a motel or a caravan park. Make sure to have a teacup or coffee mug with a capacity of about 250 milliliters. That's the general size. A lemon, which you can go without, salt, a toothpick, or something to prick a hole with, paper towel or a serviette, or even some baking paper, and water. I used a bigger cup for the experiment. Pour in some water to fill the cup, more than half but not full. Add a pinch of salt and a few drops of lemon juice. Look at the watts indication in the right hand corner, which is 1100 on the microwave oven, as this will influence the cooking time. Some ovens might have it printed on the door frame, or the older ones has it on the back of the oven. So, the higher the wattage, the shorter the cooking time. This oven is 1100 watts and needs 50 seconds for the water to heat up on 100% power. A 700 watts microwave oven would require an additional 1 minute in this particular case, whereas a 1000 watts microwave oven would require just 10 to 15 seconds more. Important to know is that for each cup you put in, you will have to adjust the cooking time accordingly. For example, if it takes 1 minute for a cup of water to heat up in a 1000 watts microwave oven, it will take 2 minutes for 2 cups. Come on, use your maths skills. Leave the cup with heated water inside, crack an egg open in a little saucer, and prick a few times with a toothpick or once with a fork. Carefully not to break the yolk, and then slide it into the water. Cover with baking paper, paper towel, or a serviette and cook for 50 seconds on 100% power, and then leave it for 2.5 to 3 minutes in the water while you get the toast and a cup of tea ready. Carefully remove from the oven and place on a heat-resistant trivet or mat. The result is a soft and runny egg. For the second egg, the water was heated up for 1 minute. The egg cooked in the water for 1.5 minutes and left to stand for 4 minutes. The result is a soft but firm egg. The third egg, which is older than the previous two, has been in the fridge for about 4 weeks, was done in a smaller cup, the general size we normally use. The water heated up for 1 minute. The egg cooked in the water for 2 minutes and left to stand for 3 minutes. The result is a hard egg. It's all about time, heat or energy, the amount of water, and the quality of the egg. Try an experiment to get the result you would like to have. In this picture, I had 2 eggs in 1 cup without the use of lemon juice. Just a pinch of salt and enough water heated up for 1 minute. Cooked for 1 minute and left to stand for 3 minutes. And the result is soft and runny eggs. These were 2 eggs in 1 cup. Water heated up for 1 minute, cooked for 1.5 minutes, and left to stand for 4 minutes. The result is soft but firm.